Hey everybody, today we're going to explore the magical world of magnets and magnetism. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a magnet. Magnets are super cool because they can attract certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt. But how do they do that? It's all thanks to something called magnetism. Magnetism is an invisible force that magnets create. It makes things stick to them or push away from them. Look at these lines. They're called magnetic field lines, and they show us how the magnetic force moves around the magnet. Magnets have two ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. Opposite poles attract each other, but if you try to put the same poles together, they push away. Did you know that Earth is like a giant magnet? It has a north and south pole too. That's why a compass always points north. The needle is a tiny magnet that aligns with Earth's magnetic field. Magnets are used in so many things like electronics, toys, and even in some trains that float above the tracks. Isn't that amazing? Thanks for joining us on this magnetic adventure. Remember, science is all around us, and it's super fun to explore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun science videos. See you next time!